Welcome to Bong Cookhouse. Today I will cook Kakrar Jhol or crab curry. It's a traditional Bengali sea fish recipe. It's a side dish that is served with rice recipes like steamed rice, pulao, biryani and fried rice. It can be prepared as day-to-day meal or for guests and to celebrate special occasions. Is ideal for people who like rich and spicy seafood. If you like this recipe, then please subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to click the bell icon. You can also like and leave your valuable comments below. You can also follow me in social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Pinterest. Heat oil about 6 tablespoons in a pan. Bring it to fumes. Take diced potato without skin, about 1½ large. Add turmeric powder, about ½ teaspoon, and salt, about 1/4 teaspoon. Coat well. Pour into the oil. Fry till golden brown in high heat. Take off the pan and keep aside. I've added oil about 5 tablespoons to the oil left in the pan. Heat it and bring it to fumes. In the meantime, break the legs of the crabs at the joints to make cooking and eating easy. I have pre-boiled crab, about 950 grams. They are sold in the shops or store like this. Raw crabs can also be used. In that case, clean and cut them into small pieces like the crabs in the bowl. Add turmeric powder, about 1 teaspoon, and salt, about 1 teaspoon. Coat well. Pour into the oil and fry for 5 to 7 minutes in high heat or till golden brown. Keep the pan aside. Wash the pan or use a different pan to cook the masala, as the juice and flesh of the crab makes the pan sticky. Heat oil about 10 tablespoons in a pan and bring it to fumes. Add Bayleaf 1, red chilli 1, crushed cardamom 3, cloves 3, cinnamon stick 1 large, crushed cumin 1 tablespoon, crushed coriander seeds 1 tablespoon and nigella seeds of kalo jeera ½ teaspoon. Saute in low heat till golden brown. Cumin and coriander seeds were crushed in the mixture and grinder using the chopping option. Cumin 13 times and coriander seeds 23 times. I make in bulk and store in jars. Add onion paste about 4 tablespoons, ginger paste about 1 tablespoon and garlic paste about 1 tablespoon. Saute in medium to high heat for 5 minutes or till the raw smell of ginger and garlic goes away. Add turmeric powder 1½ teaspoon and Kashmiri red chilli powder 2 teaspoons. Saute for 1 minute. Add tomato paste 10 tablespoons. Saute in medium to high heat for 5 minutes or till oil separates from the masala. Add oil if required. I've added oil about 10 tablespoons. Sea fish has strong smell. To reduce it, it has to be cooked with lots of spices and oil. The onion, garlic, ginger and tomato are made paste in mixture and grinder without water. Add the fried crabs, fried potato, salt about 1 teaspoon and water about 3 cups. Mix well. For juicier curry or more sauce, add 3½ to 4 cups of water. Cover with a lid and cook in medium to high heat for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the lid, stir for 1 minute. Add lemon juice 1/8 cup. Mix well. It can be added earlier as well. Cook with the lid on for 8 minutes in medium to high heat. If raw crab is used, then cook for 15 minutes. After 8 minutes, open the lid, stir for 1 minute. Cut a potato and taste the curry to check if they are good. Add whatever is required. My curry is good. Sometimes I add sugar, about 1 teaspoon. I've garnished it with some chopped coriander leaves or cilantro. It serves 4 people. I have served with jeera rice and salad. Please try it at home. Share it with your friends and family. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. The links and recipe are given in the description box. Bye for now. Stay healthy, eat healthy, and enjoy life.